Well, hello everybody. Long time no see, and now I'm going to share with you all the upcoming program that we have is called Learn to Trade. So let's see. Okay, now here is a good position to go in over here. Then we'll just open a position size here. Then we actually put out a long here. Risk to reward ratio, let's say we put here like maybe a 3%. Okay, then risk to reward is 3. So we're gonna wait 2.7. Then risk to reward 3, 3%, yeah, around here. Okay, so we open the position here. So let's see tomorrow will we hit the target over here at $1.0476. So how we know that this opening position of the signal here, which is what we actually going to open up for this upcoming class, that actually even though you're totally new, you have no experience, you can actually learn how to trade. So haven't fully launched yet because we currently still doing some updating and going to put up. So this is not the final things yet, so yeah, but it's coming soon, probably this week or probably next week. Yep. So like how you know that whether we are actually doing on it, because we actually open this trade for our student, that you can actually see what's the past trades that we actually open up here, you know, win, how many win, also here on Bitcoin. So if you cannot open an exchange on Bybit, you can actually open on Bitcoin, because we're actually partnering with both of them, one of the best trading platform in the market. So this one is only open for students that they wish to like have a reference. So we actually got balls, we actually put up to let everyone see that what is our position, what is our position history. Yeah, because I wanted to share with you all, like, you know, every day when I open up position and share with you all, I will actually open up on Bybit and Bitcoin as well. So the reason I show is to let you all have some confidence that even though you are totally new, you can actually learn how to trade, so that you know that, oh, whether is it a good entry position or what. This is a very basic class that actually opening up for you all. So you all can actually join in the Telegram group first, which is the Telegram me slash learn to trade with Kenny TV. Yeah, so I will actually post the results over there as well, like, you know, my opening position like a signal, because I wanted to do a daily update, share with you how I open the position, so that you can join in and learn. How much is it? Because I'm not going to do those like webinar, etc. All these things like very currently now we are sitting at 29.99. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. It's a lifetime access, because after that I think I will be updating some examples, you know, some new relevant stuff over here. So when you join in, you can actually keep on enjoying other new stuff. Unless there's a higher level of trading strategy that actually I'm having here. Yeah, it's a slightly different chart, okay, but I don't confuse you all, because if you are totally new, right, this might not be something that you wanted to look into it currently. So we actually try to do it like as simple as possible for everyone that can learn. So this one will be an additional cost that if you're going to open, but currently no, we don't have any plan on it. So just to let you all know, when we are opening position, I try to do it every day lah, so at least you all know. I keep you guys update what is the market current conditions, or like what are the good position that probably if you didn't sign up, you can actually join in and copy our others copy trading uh, area, but currently not opening yet, right? Yeah, so there are a few. We also have some bot trading and put it inside as well. It's like purely mainly for our own community, like Moon Hunter, Wealth Generator, Trade with Me. This one is Davin, which is I'll be sharing inside the video that, you know, even though 14 years old, when he learned how to trade, right, he's only 13 years old, my younger son. So stay tuned here. This is what it is about. Nothing, no hidden fee. Anyone can learn to trade to answer the question whether it's up or down. Okay. Also, I'll be setting here so that you all can see whether, oh, is it very accurate on the position, or we actually hit a stop loss. So there's no 100% in the market, but we try to put out as details as possible to win a trade. So remember, join the Telegram group, then I'll see you guys on the upcoming class.